Hello everyone, my name is Efosa Igbinoba and I'm a filmmaking student of Optimist Film Academy. I shot a short film I've titled Adesua as my final project, and the whole idea behind this short film was basically just to test everything I've been taught in class, and also if I'm able to be able to communicate within a short time the emotional state of many young person that are just finished from school, done NYC and all that. Basically we all make different decisions and all that, so that is what Adesua is about. So sit back and relax, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
Whenever my alarm rings in the morning, I feel like smashing it. When I sleep, it feels like I am still working. I feel drowned with tiredness and wake up with no energy or interest to begin my day. I worked so hard just to stay in the same place. Now it has finally occurred to me. This is where people will say time changes all things. Wait, things will change. Be patient. I know all this is in my head, but I can't help but feel this way because I thought I would be somewhere by now. My grandmother taught me a lot about patience, but topics like these are easy lectures with difficult examination. I started working here a few months ago. Lately, I have been wearing a face to avoid the questions I don't have answers to. Questions like, how are you doing? I'm okay, but I'm not normal right now.
What can I do for you? Good morning. I'm here to see your director. Do you have an appointment with him? Actually, I was
The question, ma'am, is do you have an appointment with him?
No, but you should calm down. I'm trying to explain myself.
Sit over there and wait.
Only you give me a minute. I'm only trying to explain myself.
Sorry, please.
I'm here to see your director. And I was trying to let her know the reason why I have to see him now. But she won't let me. She's just shouting at me. Ask her if I ask any other question other than inquire about your boss.
It's a good thing my boss is not on seat. I can't continue like this. Becky interfered just at the right time. See wahala. When she left, Becky made me understand how my perception and attitude are related. But who can remember that in such a miserable place? To realize that life is all about perception. I didn't know that because I was in a miserable place. You know, that place where your reality doesn't match the mental picture of where you think you should be. Yeah. We are all in the gutter, but some of us are looking at the stars. As a stepping stone. Truly, it is not going to be easy. But they say, life only gives you what you demand, not what you deserve. So I keep moving, but I have to change the way I do things here.
Alright, welcome back again, and I hope you enjoyed my short film at Desua. Before I came to Optimist Film Academy, I had basically no knowledge about filmmaking, but I knew I wanted to pursue this, so I came here. And so far, the journey has been awesome. Anyways, it has been awesome. Thank God for it. I would like to also thank the Academy for all they've done. And now I've been able to, basically, I didn't even know filmmaking was this wide anyways. And they've been able to expose me to all areas, and I know now that at least I know where to begin from and how to grow my career. I also want to thank my course mates, Ebuka, Chris, and also the editor, Patience, my course mate as well. Thank you guys for what you've done. God bless you.